The problems that myEcon faces, part two. So, yeah, I already did a part one. You can see it here. I'll leave a link in the description down below, or you can just go search my channel for it and see what are the problems that myEcon is facing here in 2025. So, before we get into that and talk about part two, really quick, if you're here, if you're on this video, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you can get notified first anytime I upload new content. So if you're checking out myEcon or you're just looking for ways to make money online, you are on the right channel, and I appreciate you being here. My name is DK, and I put out real content about the industry, the niche, myEcon, and just all things about making money online. So thank you for watching. Now, let's get into it. In my recent video, I specifically talked about the fact that one of myEcon's biggest challenges is most people don't know about myEcon, where when you look at what is out there, what is new, what is shiny, what is getting the attention, most people just don't know about myEcon. And if they did, they would realize that it is one of the best compensation plans that I have found. That I have been in this network marketing niche, making money online, affiliate marketing space, whatever you want to call it, for quite some time now. I've seen a lot of compensation plans, and there is no better compensation plan that I have found. And just the data alone, take out my opinion, take out your opinion, the data alone will tell you they have the highest dollar per renewal per person in the industry. Enough people just need to know about that. More people need to know about that. But the other problem that I was looking at, and this is based off of your comments, and this is the crazy part. This is based off of your comments, whether it be over on Facebook or here on YouTube. A recent comment I got was, myEcon's old. In other words, it's dated. That's one way to look at it. You're right. The company's been around for 20 years. I mean, look at some of these other companies that are out there that have been around for decades. Amway, Shackley, Melaleuca, Avon, Mary Kay, and so many others that have been around for multiple decades that are still powerhouses in the industry. So would you want to join a well-established, well-documented company? Or would you want to jump into something that is shiny and new and is, well, what I referred to in a recent video as hype? Now, you need to realize here, and let's just kind of get real for a second, that hype is just short for hypothetical. Okay. So when you have a new company that comes into play that is getting people's attention and it's, supposed to be great, it's going to be awesome, there's a couple things at play here. One, everyone's potential results are just that. They are based on a hypothetical theory that it could work. When you look at the compensation plan, you have to decipher for yourself, is it good? Is it not good? I've done some recent comparisons here on my channel of myEcon compared to other companies that are, and here, well, let's just get into kind of the second phase here of a lot of the people that are promoting the latest and greatest hype machine right now, okay, which is a savings opportunity. Those same exact people have promoted all of the other shiny objects going back over the last multiple years. So if you are making a decision for yourself, do I go with myEcon? Do I go with a company that has, a 20-year track record, has many millionaires that they have created? The products and services have helped well over 100,000 people. They've helped people create millions of dollars in cash flow with real products that actually work, that are proven and documented. Or do you go with something that is hypothetical? So yeah, maybe the problem here is myEcon is just old. It depends on what you consider old. Is 2 decades, is 20 years old? Is that beyond the scope of a successful network marketing company? Oh, yep, sorry, they just hit 20 years. Can't do it anymore. They're too old. Or do you jump on the hype bandwagon and follow the leader and just do what everybody else tells you to do? I don't know. You have to decide that for yourself. But all I can tell you is this. If someone tells you that you need to jump into the shiniest object, and here's your litmus test. If someone tells you that you need to join, as an example, just an example, no hate, this new savings opportunity, go look, the person that's telling you to go do this, go look at the businesses that they promoted over the last 12 to 24 months. How many different business opportunities have they promoted? And then the person that brought them in, how many different opportunities have they promoted over the last 12 to 24 months? Now, am I going to sit here and tell you that I'm perfect and, I've been with myEcon for 20 years? No, but I have been with myEcon since 2018. Maybe that says something. I don't know. But that's what now, 7 years, 7 years in the same company. Because again, it's proven, it's documented. We've helped a lot of people make a lot of money, including myself. The products are real. The compensation plan's real. It works. And it's about to get even better with what we're working on behind the scenes in myEcon. So you tell me, leave your thoughts, leave your comments down below. While you're here, hit that subscribe button. Smash that bell icon. Go on. I dare you. It really does help the channel. It gets more people seeing this content. And it also lets me know that you're serious about learning more. So I do appreciate that very much. So if you have any questions for me, as always, left my phone number right here at the top of this video. Text me. Ask me anything. Maybe we'll even have a phone conversation and talk it out. Who knows? But I appreciate you watching, and if you're interested in myEcon, learning how we give you over $11,000 in free value, yes, real, documented, legit free value, do me a favor, go ahead, click on the end card right here at the end of this video. You can go watch that full tutorial and check it out for yourself. But would love to know your thoughts on this. Do people join one business after another because it's shiny and new and there's a hypothetical chance that you could make a lot of money? Or would something like myEcon just be, too old, too documented, too proven to work for you? You got to brush the dust off it. What are your thoughts? Do you go with something that is proven, documented, and stable, or do you go with something that's shiny and new? Which one do you prefer? Love to hear your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching, my friend. See you on the next one.